Oh, hell yeah. And it's so peaceful up here, too. That is a freaking whale in it, Joe. This is awesome.
You don't hear anything up here, do you?
No, you don't. Just the wind. And the boat, eventually go away. You can hold on anywhere you want. Anywhere you feel comfortable, babe. Let me get this. There we go. Baby, it's gonna creep like everything else. Oh, there's a whale right there, baby. See him? Or dolphins. See him right here? It just getting the creeps out of it. Nice. How you doing?
Okay.
This is freaking awesome. I love this. Now, if there was more wind, we'd be up a lot higher. But we are getting in some more wind.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Keep an eye out for whales, though, baby.
Oh, yeah, I'm right now looking at it.
Oh, yeah, we're quite a ways out here. Uh-oh, he's going to fuck with you now. He's going to mess with you. Start flailing around like you're scared. And then he'll stop. He's going to fuck with us. Oh, yeah, he's going to mess with us. He's going to mess with us.
And I lift my toes up.
Yeah, you knew he's going to mess with you.
Okay.
This is awesome. Parachute holding. That's good. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Going tandem's the only way to go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, this is funny. Oh, God, this is funny.
Wow.
Now, hopefully it'll get some, look how far out. I mean, we're a long way away from that boat.
Yeah, okay, yeah, we are.
Oh, we are, too.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully when he turns, we'll go up. That's what I'm hoping. You okay?
Yeah.
Just enjoy the ride. That's the whole idea. If we catch some wind here, this thing is going to go. It's going to shoot way up.
Not funny, bitch.
See, now we're going to go up, babe. He'll get us up into the wind. Look how high we are now.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm up.
We got to go higher.
I'm up. No.
High. This thing's going to go straight. We'll be on top of him.
No.
Oh, yes. This here's some shit right here. We're a long way up here now, baby. Yeah, you can look at anything you want. I don't care. Just enjoy it. Let's see if you can find some whales. That's what I'm looking for. I'd love to have a couple of them breach right below us. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, okay.
See, we're way up here now. We're up a long way.
Wow. Oh, okay.
just a little blurb. Oops.
Shut up. Oh.
Notice how much more windier it is way up here?
Yeah.
Ooh. A little gassy, too.
Well, it's gonna look nice.
Yeah, thank God.
Don't!
I'm not going to do anything to screw with it. He'll do that down there.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
You want me to have an orgasm, don't you?
Yeah, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
It's the start of one. It doesn't go. It doesn't finish.
Again, you're on video, so watch what you say.
You can't hear nothing.
I know.
Wow.
Long way up here, Mama.
Yeah, I can feel when he turns before I even look at the boat. It feels like it.
Well, it's a delayed reaction. I cannot believe we haven't seen any whales or dolphins or anything.
That poop is going back to it. Is that
Yeah.
called again?
Yeah, cool. Maybe it could be.
So where's the condo from here? Oh, it's on the ground. Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
He's out of. He might be out of fuel. You're going in the drink. You're going in the drink. Yeah, hold your feet up. That'll get you what, an extra foot? Big wave, coming in, baby.
Oh.
Oh yeah. There you go. Look how high this thing goes up. How fast? Isn't that cool?
Okay.
Hopefully everything holds. This is awesome.
I can when it wiggles backwards or something. That's when it.
Yeah.
Using this.
You good?
Yeah. Sticking my tongue in.
Go ahead, I don't care. There we go, a little slack tide now. There we go. We're just gonna rumble on down. Maybe his winch went out. We gotta stay up there for a couple hours. I don't know.
They don't charge it.
Yeah, they'll charge us by the minute. Yeah. Surf and turf time, baby. I'm not doing nothing. Just, oh, what's this do? He's bringing us in.
That's cool.
What do you mean that's cool? We just got out here.
Keep going.
We just got out here, JoJo. see him? Right there, Joe. See him?
Oh, yeah.
Right there in the sun?
Not funny.
Over there, too. Oh, this is awesome. Hehehehe